Hello everyone. Drawing straight lines with the brush tool in Photoshop help you create clean and precise lines for sketches, designs and digital artwork. It's very useful for beginners who want more control while drawing. So let's get started. Create a new layer. Select, click on the brush tool. Choose brush tool color. Example is the red color and brush size, hardness or without hardness. Example use first on, then click anywhere, hold shift, draw vertical line. Again right click on your mouse. With hardness, click anywhere, hold shift, draw vertical line. Click anywhere, hold shift, draw horizontal line. 45 degree. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.